Type your text. Go to Object. Rasterize. You don't have to change the settings. Go to Object. Create Object Mosaic. I use a width of 60 tiles, but you can also use a different amount. Select the height. And then select Use Ratio. Right-click on the text and select Ungroup. Select the magic wand. Select the white background and delete it. Do this twice so the background is gone. Use the selection tool to select the entire text. Pick a text color. You can now delete tiles to make the letters symmetrical. To add a tile, you select one, hold Alt and drag it into place. Because I use the letter S twice, I delete the last one and duplicate the other S so they are symmetrical. Zoom in. And select one tile. Go to Select. Start Global Edit. Hold Alt and turn the square into a small rectangle. Then rotate the rectangle. Go to Edit. Copy. Then go to Edit. Paste in front. Rotate the rectangle in the other direction. And that's how you create this cross pattern.